Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to quickly unlock any page in Canva. Super simple. Click Create, select Custom Size, choose your dimensions, then go to Templates. Browse Design or Template Design categories and select any template for this tutorial. Select all elements, then click Lock to prevent editing these selected elements. These elements cannot be moved by dragging until you unlock them first. Click the element, then click the unlock icon to enable editing. Move this, then select other elements to unlock them. Unlock all elements, select them all, then resize by dragging the corner handle. Once satisfied with the design, you can lock the elements again to prevent further changes. Use the lock element in this Canva design. Use this feature to lock the design in place, preventing it from being moved or dragged. This keeps the element fixed, allowing you to add and move other elements without disturbing its position. Add an element, select ball, then drag it to your desired position on the screen. Since these elements are locked, you can easily move and drag this without disturbing the arrangement. This is the purpose of locking elements in place. Unlock to rearrange items, then click Effects to add curves. Tap the design line, edit it, then lock the design again when finished. Place the ball anywhere you like. Create the ball, position it where you want, and select it as needed. To use the lock and unlock function in Canva, first lock or unlock elements as needed. When finished, click Share, then Download. Increase the size to improve image quality before saving your file. Now you know how to unlock a page in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tips.